つけたっていうからつけたのかな。もうおお、ついてるついてる。So I'm going to try to put a MoTeC monitor using this kind of smart holder. Very good idea. Yes, and soft tape using tape. It's like this. Very easy using the tape. I put on these states. Yes, this must be good. But the capacity 300 grams. This weight is 350 grams, so that I don't know it's available for truck driving. I tried clipping the meter food and with taping to navigator's monitor side panel. Yes, I'm putting and using a smartphone holder with taping. Yes, I try to put the MoTeC monitor. And how about this? I must put some loose meter. Yes, very good. Very good. And I must arrange the menu using a personal computer, maybe. It don't touch it. It slants here, but I keep my fingers space. Easy to see. Too much. This way. It's better. Must be better. It's smart. It's smart. I'm making it stay again the other way. Yes, and I'm going to put this here and using the bolt and around here, and the this way. Yeah, I bend it this stay with this spanner, big spanner, using a big spanner. I bend it this one and put it this way. It's available. I'm using this one, and maybe available. Maybe smart. So I'm now checking the position of the meter. Maybe if I put the low position seat, the high position is becoming lower. This is almost lower position. It doesn't prevent the normal meter. Maybe the best position here is I fix it. Okay. Putting the stay. Put in this one. That's good. Fine. That's very nice. Very nice. Okay. Yes, then putting these one and peel off the tape and put here maybe. Not so bad. Okay. Yes, and here, like this one. Okay. Not so bad. That became low portion. Maybe not so bad. As I put it today to yaris. Yes, I'll change back to the bucket seat. The seat position is too high. Yes, and it prevents the front view. Yes, it's too high. The mirror prevents the front view, so that becoming lower it must be better. And the cushion is no good. The suspension is very hard, so that the my body jumps on this stupid seat, so that no cushion is better for post driving. No cushion, no bumping my body. The bumping on the seat. My body bumps on the normal seat. The cushion is not so good. After putting a bucket seat, the eye position becoming low, and the yes, it's clear. Monitor doesn't prevent my front view, so that they get very good position. Okay, I'll try. Okay, very good. Okay, I must set the boost meter. Yes, from here, the mirroring windscreen meter appears, and here, and the MoTeC monitor, and yes, navigation, and normal meter, and this one. I put the MoTeC monitor and trust the boost meter. Yes, I try it. And this is opening. The ring is very high. Too much. Yes, this one. Over here. Yes, and ready, and then circuit counter, and the MoTeC monitor, and then the coolant temp, and the engine oil temp, transmission temp, and the brake press, yes, and the boost, throttle, and the fuel pressure or very high, and the engine oil pressure, yes, and the speed, and boost. Okay. Very good, and the normal meter is available to see. Yes, very good. It doesn't prevent my front view. My eye position is here. No problem. Normal seat comes here. The mirror is too big to see the front view, and the low position ladies and or MP bucket seat is eye point go downs. Maybe here is available. The clearance is available, and this clearance it's not so wide, but the yes, comparing with normal seat, it's better. And I can see the boost meter. Yes, the most important thing. Yes, it's very good. Okay.